Hello students, now in this video we will discuss chain rule. What is chain rule? We will learn about chain rule by these examples. Okay. Example number 1. Example number 1, y is equals to x plus 2 whole square. Find dy by dx. Means we have to calculate dy by dx in all these examples. Okay. Here first example, y is equals to x plus 2 whole square. This question can also be done by a simple method without using chain rule, like method number 1. Method number 1 is what? Open this bracket, means x square plus 2 into 2x plus, directly we can write 4x plus 4. 2 square means 4. Okay. Here dy upon dx will be equals to 2x plus 4 plus 0, or simply 2x plus 4 means 2 times x plus 2. This is the answer. Okay. Now our main aim is to make you understand clear chain rule. Okay. Now in second method we are going to use chain rule. Okay. Chain rule. What is chain rule? We have to differentiate y is equals to x plus 2 whole square. Okay. In chain rule we will here let t is equals to x plus 2. If you take x plus 2 as t, it will become simple, like y is equals to t square. Simply you can differentiate dy upon dt, because here what is here it is t. Dy by dt is equals to 2t to the power 2 minus 1, simply 2t. Okay. But we have to calculate dy upon dx. Here dt upon dx, because here the function is x. Okay. Then differentiate t with respect to x. You will have what? X is 1. Simply. Okay. Just multiply, means equation number, this is 2, let us suppose, and this is equation number 1. Multiply equation number 1 and 2, you will have dy upon dt into dt upon dx is equals to 2t into 1. Okay. dt cancel out, you will have dy upon dx is equals to 2t. In place of t, replace what? 2x plus 2. This is your answer, and you can match this answer with this answer. Both the answers are same. Okay. Hope you are understanding. First let x plus 2 equals to t. Then differentiate t with respect to x. Here differentiate y with respect to t. Okay. Then multiply these two equations and get the answer. Hope you are understanding. Okay. Now let us solve example number 2. Example number 2 with the chain rule. By using chain rule we will solve remaining examples. Y is equals to 3 sine. You know that differentiation of sine theta is what? Sine theta is cos theta. Okay. Here take this portion equals to t, means t is equals to ax square plus b. Y will be this function, this equation will become 3 into sine t. 3 sine t. Differentiate this function, this equation with respect to t. dy upon dt is equals to 3 sine t means simply cos t. Sine t, differentiation of sine t is cos t. Here differentiate t with respect to x. This is constant as it is. X square will become 2x plus this is simply constant. It will become 0 means 2ax. Multiply this and this. dy upon dt into dt upon dx will be equals to 3 cos t into 2ax. 2ax means 6ax into cos. In place of t you can put ax square plus b. The final answer you can write dy upon dx, dt cancel out, 6ax into cos ax square plus b. This is the answer. Okay, hope you are understanding. Now example number 3. Example number 3 is y is equals to sine ax. Y is equals to sine ax. Y is equals to sine ax. Let t is equals to ax. dt upon dx is equals to a is constant, differentiation of x is 1 means simply a. Here y is equals to sine t. dy upon dt is equals to cos t simply. Okay, now multiply these two equations. dy upon dt into dt upon dx will be equals to cos t into a, or you can write dt cancel, dy upon dx will be equals to a times cos t means cos ax. Okay, hope you are understanding. This is your final result. Now let us move toward question number 4, example number 4. What is example number 4? Example number 4 is y is equals to 3 times x square plus 2x whole square. Let x square plus 2 is equals to t means t is equals to x square plus 2. Here y will become y is equals to 3t square. dy by dt is equals to dy by dt is equals to 3 times 2t means 6t. Okay, here dt upon dx is equals to 2x plus 0, simply 2x. Okay, now multiply these two equations. dy upon dt into dt upon dx will be equals to 6t into 2x means 12x into t. dt cancel out, dy upon dx will be equals to 12x. In place of t you can write x square plus 2. This is your final result. Okay, hope you are understanding. Now example 5. Example 5 is what? Y is equals to sine square x. Y is equals to sine square x. Sine square x can also be written as sine x whole square. Sine square x or sine whole square. Okay, you have two methods to solve it. Okay, how? First, in first method, let this function means sine x is equals to t. Then y will be equals to t square dy upon dt is equals to 2t. Here dt upon dx equals to cos x, because differentiation of sin x is cos x, multiplied by these equation dy upon dt into dt upon dx is equals to 2t into cos x. Here you can write dt cancel, dy upon dx upon dx is equals to 2. In place of t you can write sin x into cos x. 2 sin x cos x is what? 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. Means the final answer is dy upon dx is equals to 2 sin x cos x, or simply you can write sin 2x. Okay, now we will solve this example, means example number 5, by second method. Okay, what is second method? Second method is just reduce the power reduction formula. You all know from class 10th that power reduction formula is what? Sine square x is equals to 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. You can also prove this formula. Okay, use this formula. Here y will be equals to what? 1 minus cos 2x upon 2, or 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 cos 2x. Okay, here dy upon dx will be equals to, because 1 by 2 is constant, this is 0, minus 1 by 2. You know that if the function is cos 2x, differentiation of cos is minus sin 2x into, by the chain rule you will have 2. Okay, differentiate separately cos 2x by using chain rule. You will have 2 minus 2 sin 2x. Okay, 2 cancel out, minus will become plus, means simply sin 2x. dy upon dx means final answer is sin 2x. Here also we have calculated sin 2x, means the result is matching. You can solve either by method number 1 or by method number 2. Okay, hope you are understanding, and thanks for watching this video. This is the last lecture of differentiation. Thanks.